With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. A charged particle Q enters a region of uniform magnetic field B out of page, is deflected D after traveling a distance A, then magnitude of momentum of the particle. So if you see here, let's say the particle is given a velocity v and the mass of the particle is m, right? So what will be the direction of the force on it, right? It will be, if you see this charge is q and it deflected like this, right? So the direction of the magnetic field will be somewhat like this. Write down the force, magnetic force, it will be equals to QVB, because you can see the magnetic field is already perpendicular to the plane of motion, so it is perpendicular to the velocity always, because the plane of motion is perpendicular to the magnetic field. This will act as the centripetal force, right? From here, if you see, this will get cancelled out, and we wanted the momentum, linear momentum. If you see here, magnitude of the momentum, so magnitude of the momentum, that is equals to r. Now if you see here, let's find out the radius. So it is said that it traveled this a distance and get deflected in vertical direction by this much. So if I draw a diagram, let's say this is the radius r, and after traveling it get exit from this region by traveling an angle theta like this. So if I draw a line joining this point with this, so it will be, if you see this distance, this distance is r cos theta, and this is r, so this remaining will be r minus r cos theta. So this d here is r minus r cos theta, that is this, and you can see very clearly that this distance is nothing but r sin theta. So it is said here it is equals to a. You can write down the sin theta and cos theta value here. The sin theta is equals to a by r, and cos theta, if you see, this will be 1 minus cos theta will be equals to d by r, right? So cos theta will be equals to this, right? Now you can square both side, both equation and add. So I will write down equation 1 square plus equation 2 square. So it will be a by r whole square plus a minus d by r whole square is equals to sin square theta plus cos square theta, it will be 1. So this will be the equation. So if I solve this equation, I will write down a square plus d square by r square is equals to 1. So this 1 will get cancelled out, and you can take 1 by r common here. So you will write down a square plus d square by r is equals to, it will be 2d, right? You can see this 1 will get cancelled out, and you will get this equation is equals to 0. And if you take 1 by r common and make that 0, and you will get this equation. We want this r, right? So r is equals to, if you see, a square plus d square by 2d. So we already got the value of mv is equals to this, qbr. Put the value, I will write down momentum is equals to mv is equals to qbr. Put the value, I will write down qb, I will take half outside common. It will be a square by d plus d. And this is the answer of this question. Now you can check for the option a square by d plus d. So A here is the correct one. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.